project. Tawagan ako ang tanong ka. Kita na ko na sa tawag ko lang. Lu musud ang buka.
Evening! Gabi sa tanan. Ako po si Donnie together with my wife Jasmine, your sales agent collectors from St. Peter Life Plan, Talisay Branch. In behalf of the St. Peter Life Plans and Chapels, my deepest sympathy and condolence to the bereaved family of the late Sir Victor Abellanosa. As part of our corporate social responsibility in giving excellent service and customer satisfaction, si Sir Victor po ay pumasok sa sinasabi naming cash assistance benefit, kung saan po ang kanyang mga benepisyaryo ay may matatanggap na monetary assistance katumbas ng kontratang pinirmahan niya sa St. Peter. At ito po ay binigay sa kanyang may bahay through check kahapon po ng hapon. As one of the service natin na ipinapakita po, St. Peter Tribute is one of the added service feature wherein compilation of pictures are used to portray happiness, sadness, and even regrets. But most important, it shows hope, pag-asa, that death o ang kamatayan is not the end, but the beginning of Sir Victor's legacy and how we incorporate it in our lives, as well as pagdawat sa iyang kamatayan. As one of the sayings taught us, life in itself is uncertain. Only death is certain. Kaya po ang pagkakaroon ng St. Peter Life Plan sa bawat pamilya ay mahalaga. The tribute was then followed by the offertory of flowers, a eulogy, and the announcement of interment o katunglubong. We will end it with a prayer. For that, ginahan nyo na kung tanan na mo tindog para sa opening prayer. Harap lang po tayo sa casket.
Wala, may nagtawag. One me live.
Together, Lord, we gather here to praise you and to thank you for leading us, for helping us remember that anywhere we walk, even in paths of darkness, your light always shine bright.
Lead, Lord, lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other home.